Hey, if you're serious about building a solid passive online income with Ethereum, I would recommend joining Forsage under Forsage.Partners team. Their expert leaders give you the edge of being #1 source for Forsage marketing resources, step-by-step guidance, exclusive training which helps you achieve your goals. There are many reasons for joining Forsage under Forsage.Partners website or under their partner ID 355172. First, you will get exclusive access to Forsage.Partners members-only private forum where all top members of Forsage.Partners and marketing experts share insights, marketing strategies for building strong downline and referrals. Second, access to marketing funnel currently in use by Forsage.Partners top leaders, which include the high-converting landing pages hosted on your own web domain, WordPress-friendly and free video promotions material to kickstart your referrals marketing. Third, email marketing blueprints with sales funnel email sequence specially designed to build referrals for Forsage, which is currently in use by top leaders and members of Forsage.Partners only. You also get free traffic rotator, Ethereum cashbacks and rewards, benefits for joining Forsage under partner ID 355172. For more details, follow the instructions in the description or visit Forsage.Partners website. Thank you and welcome to Forsage Partners team.